Hi everyone, I've got the scrub oak in the workshop tonight. I'm just going to be defoliating it and adding a bit of shape back into the tree, cutting back to clean up the junctions a little bit. I have a couple of problems with the tree at the top, which we'll get into later on in the video, so you'll have to stick around to see what that problem is. As you can see, it's flat as an arse down this side. It's been squished just like grape. So something's flew down there and flattened this, so I need to put it back into shape. So with no further ado, let's get it defoliated first. So when we defoliate, I'm just going to come in and just cut at the back of the leaf. Got some creepy crawlies in this one. So once this tree's finished, I will give it a spray with winter tree wash. Might need a little bit wider on some of these new growth as we're going up when we style it. I'm just taking some dead stumps off as I'm going as well. Lovely when they just fall off. I didn't put any music on this video. You might hear us moan a few times with his bloody hand. Do you know what it is? Once you get past 45, it takes you months to pull yourself back together. I fell off ladders with a 4 foot by 4 foot glass unit following us down from up the height. The ladder slipped, I went that way and the glass went in front of us. If I fell forward, it would have chopped my head off. I got straight up and back on the ladders now. Not a problem. These days, I'll be laid in bed for about a month to a month. We've got a bit of a cluster in there. I'm just gonna... Oh, I nearly cut the wire there. Tear that one off. We've got them holding in. This had a few wire screws on this tree when I first got it. It's starting to grow pretty good at the top. The way in there. Still a little bit deep, but they're starting to grow out now. This one will take a bit. But once it's in leaf, you really can't see in there. I'll tear that off there. So we're getting up there 9,500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Love yous. Didn't think it would go this far when I started for a laugh. In fact, if it wasn't for yous, I wouldn't be doing it anyway. I don't think. Unless I still like a laugh. That branch is dead because when I just went to move it back into place, I heard a crunch, which I'm not bothered about because I wanted it to two anyway on that side. Where was I? Oh, aye. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Not to be greedy, but shall we say we can get the 10? Now you're taking the piss, Ryan. Oh yeah. So here's a casualty of war. Snap branch. It's a shame because it was a nice branch, but that must have been snapped ages ago because the wood's dead on there. And as you can see, whoa, I'm not cutting that one out. As you can see further back, you have two buds and one there. So I'm just going to leave that there, let these buds take over, then we'll select from there which one grows the best. That's all. Okay. The best thing about walks is the back bud pretty easily, and you can also back bud on old wood, which is great. Just need to keep the pruning down to force it back. Yeah, where do I go on that one? Okay, that one out there, and that out there. We'll use them two into there, then that can come off there. And then come around. Okie dokie. Karaoke. So the problem at the top is my fault when I was styling. We've lost this full top branch. This whole thing here. It was a common rookie mistake and all, and I'll show you once we get to the top. But what I'm going to do now is just start and add some bit shape back into this bit. I have got a problem with this. It's going straight over. It's just coming up and going over, so I was thinking about putting the tourniquet on there, pulling it down a little bit, just to lift that bit up. Plus it closes the apex on this front bit and it stops at 90. The wire's been on a little bit and it's not biting in yet. It's actually still pretty good. As you can see, it's not biting in yet. So, it'll be good for another year. Fingers crossed. I might have to do that again anyway, because I want to bring that head forward like that. I'm going to put a tourniquet on. So I'm going to add the tourniquet on first. Be a better idea, I think. I'm not going to run there. Right. That one there. Right. I'll put that on just to protect the old bark. It's going to be hard with a bad hander. Might be a little bit much. I'll just stop that from shooting across the top of that one. Bring that back up a little bit. Bring it all back up a little bit. Back. Ah, bastard. Do. Oh, I've got one coming that way. Come on, tell us what your weekend's been like. You can't lie when we're playing like this, so we can just have a chit chat. So, Belgium next week, boys and girls. Who's going to the trophy? I think I've just killed that branch light, but we'll see if it grows. Felt a bit tight.
Motion detected at the front door.
Oh, hey, it didn't start though. That's a bit brittle, so we'll just give that a little bend. Like that. I can feel it wanting to crunch when you move a branch. You can just hear it. So I'll have to be bloody careful. Let's close that gap up a bit. A place I didn't know what I'm doing. Oh, scoot. 2 seconds short. Not even my bloody dog, man. Oh, and that's. Oh. Scout. Piss off. Worse than the kids. Nah. Not like the kids anymore, like. Right. Squished just like grape at the back. Oh, that's too long enough. That was daring, that. I'm getting in the way of the camera again. I'm pulling it over into there. Just didn't try it at home if you didn't want to lose a branch. But I do want you seeing, I copied that get on Horton Bonsai, I ain't done it. If you're willing to lose the branch, give it a gang. I like to stop talking in slang. Stop talking in slang. Well, shit. Will I? Hey. I put a little bit of pressure on there, but when I try and push it out. So, you know what, I've just turned that all the way around and back to where I started.
Motion detected at the front door.
I'm due a new pot when I repot it next year. One of the little feet snapped off. I don't know where it's gone. If I was bothered about the pot, I would have made a plasticine moulding, use some epoxy, but I'm not asked about the pot. And there's an upwards facing bud, so I want to go for that one. Indeed.
Motion detected at the front door.
Ah, is it? Oh, my watch does all the work. Ping, ping, ping. Open door. we're up to the apex part now. So we're nearly right up the top where I cocked it up. I won't be the only person that's done it. I'll put my table down on my homemade chair thing. Get up there. I've got some prehistoric shape to use, haven't I? Let's zoom in and show you where I cocked up. So this is the branch that's dead. And the reason why it did is because I put the wire underneath the branch, and when I went to bend it down, it's forced itself underneath and broke it, which brought it back from in there, so I would never have seen it until it was grown. So that's why I always put the wire over the top where you want to bend, if it works out like that. But sometimes you just got to put the hell where it goes. But that's a hefty branch to lose that, especially on an apex, because I need to fill it out again. So I'm just going to be careful and bend these around to fill the space where we lost the other one. Twisting as I'm turning, just to fill in the space. And curl the buds up.
Motion detected at the front door.
Right. Well, I got up where? Got to pump it up, boy, pump it up. There's a couple of weeds in the bottom. Most of it's mainly moss. But what I'll do is, I said I wouldn't repot it this year, but if I get a nice pot in Belgium, I'll repot it. I think it's been done 2 years. I'd have to check back on the videos. That's just a little bit more styling back in the tree where it was squashed by pigeon, I would say, or when it was in front of that window and I've been opening the window. Let's blame the pigeon. Okay, so it was the pigeon. We took that bit off the top where it snapped, and I've gently bent these round just to start and create a filler in there where we lost that big branch. Some of these are a little bit long. I want to see if all the buds pop first before I start pruning loads. I have pruned a bit at the bottom because there is loads of buds, but some of these has only got 2 on, and I don't want to risk killing the branch. So I just want to say thank you again for getting to nearly 10,000 subscribers. Let's say we can get to 10, or even better, let's get to 20. Well, yeah, that'll never happen. No one can understand us. But I just wanted to say thanks again, love yous. So that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-ra, folks.